Why do 90% of beauty lovers swear by these ingredients? Time to find out. First up, hyaluronic acid. Think of it as a tall drink of water for your skin. Vitamin C is your go-to brightener. Say goodbye to dullness. Enter retinol, the ultimate wrinkle warrior. Niacinamide? It's like a chill pill for your skin, calming redness and inflammation. Aloe vera is the multitasker, soothing, hydrating, and healing. Ceramides help lock in moisture, making your skin a fortress. Got acne? Salicylic acid is your secret weapon. And speaking of acne, tea tree oil is your natural zit-zapping friend. Peptides keep your skin firm and youthful, a must for anti-aging. Rosehip oil? It's packed with vitamins that rejuvenate your skin. Antioxidants are your skin's best defense against free radicals. Don't forget AHA BAHA for that smooth, exfoliated glow. And lastly, squalane oil, pure hydration magic. Ready to upgrade your beauty routine? Hit that like button and let's get glowing.